Okay, so let's talk about some details of lists. Now, the data inside a list is called its elements. So in this list that I have here called my list, the elements are apple, banana, celery, durian. They're all strings, pieces of text. And notice how I specify them put between quotation marks. Now, if I want to refer to a specific piece of data in the list, I'll have to know its index. The index is a number, a whole number, an integer, that tells me the position of the data in the list that I want to work with. Now, the thing about computers, not only Python, but computers in general, you have to remember is that they start counting at 0, not 1. For humans, it's instinctive to us to start counting at 1, but for computers, we start counting at 0. So apple is actually at position 0, or index 0. Banana is at position 1. Celery is at position 2, and durian is at position 3. So say I want to print out a value from the list, a piece of data. And I want to print banana from my list. I need to know the index of banana. Well, apple is at 0, so banana is at 1. So the way I get that data, when I specify the index, is I use a square bracket after the name of my list, and inside that square bracket I put the index of the data that I want to work with, in this case 1 for banana. And then when I print that out, I get banana. Okay, so I can also do that, for example, if I wanted to get, say, durian. Well, where's durian? What's the index of durian? Apple is 0, banana is 1, celery is 2, and durian must be 3. So I put my list, bracket 3, bracket, and that'll pull off durian. Okay, now you can also use the index if you want to change a value in the list. So say instead of celery, I wanted to put carrot at that position. So I could say my list. Well, where is carrot, or where's celery? It's at position 0, 1, 2. So I have my list, bracket 2. Okay, that'll say I want to work with a piece of data at position 2, and I'm going to assign it a value, new value of carrot. Okay, so let's see what's in my list. And I get apple, banana, carrot, durian. Okay, so indexes are really important. They tell you the position of data in the list. Now, say I had a list that I wasn't sure how many things are in it. I want to make sure I get the exact value of the number of elements in the list. So Python has a nice handy function that will allow you to get that data, and it's called len, short for length. And so if I do len parentheses my list, that'll give me back how many elements exactly are in the list for. Okay, so lists are actually easy to work with, not too hard as long as you know a few special functions and syntax.